join us on stage and tell us more what we have in store for everybody.
घंटे बात कर चुका हूँ तो मैं ऐसी खता अब नहीं करूँगा. Mayank, you were very good for my confidence and my ego. Huh? Just about tell you, let me tell you that you expect a call from me tonight. I would like to first thank Dainik Jagran for having held or holding this retrospective of mine. Thank you very much. In my 45 years of cinema, I have never been part of any festival. I've never been part of any retrospective. Thank you, you've done it. Maybe perhaps I never made films for that. I thank you very much for that. Actually, Mayank, it's I think 107 years of cinema. And I think it's 90 years of the Kapoor family into the films. My grandfather started in 1927. That's when he came from then British India, Peshawar, to Mumbai. So very proud of the fact that yes. I just wanted to compliment one thing that when someone said about cinema, I said हमारी audience पहले बहुत forgiving audience होती थी. जब आप कह रहे थे सर कि एक वक्त पर कभी भी हर एक्टर अपने दौर में जितने भी बड़े एक्टर थे उनके पास अपनी किटी में 3 या 4 फिल्म मिनिमम होती थी लॉस्ट एंड फाउंड पर. मतलब कि पहली रील में वो खो जाते थे और आखिरी रील में विलन को मारते मारते गाना बजाते जुड़ जाते थे. तो ऐसी हमारी ऑडियंस थी उस वक्त. बट थिंग्स हैव बिकम वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर द जनरेशन ऑफ रणवीर. Being so that today the information is so easily available, you're on computers, television shows, world cinema. There's so much of information to grasp from that today's audience wants more. It's more competitive. So, ye jo hote hue, why I'm saying this is because festivals are, very much part of this. Encourages making good cinema, seeing good cinema. हमने अपने टाइम पे वो शायद ऐसी फिल्म हम मिस कर गए क्योंकि हर फिल्म तो लॉस्ट एंड फाउंड में ही बनती थी. यार तो गिटार बजाता था या मैं जर्सी पहन के स्विट्जरलैंड में गाना वाना गाता था. तो उससे ज़्यादा तो मुझे कभी मौका मिला ही नहीं किसी फिल्म में काम करने का. हाँ, ये ज़रूर है कि थैंक यू. माई सेकेंड इनिंग्स हैज़ बीन फार सुपीरियर इन द फर्स्ट वन. पहले 25 साल तो मैं कहता हूँ मैंने सिर्फ गाने गाए सर. अब ज़रा कुछ मौका मुझे मिला है एक्टिंग करने का. सो थैंक यू once again, ladies and gentlemen. I thank you once again for the retrospective which you're holding. I'm sure there is an audience, a younger audience who's missed out on some films of mine. देख लीजिए, अगर अच्छी लगे तो ठीक है, नहीं तो छोटे भाई या बड़े भाई समझ के माफ़ कर देना. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. फिल्म का फेस्टिवल है मेरा और मैंने अभी सुना है कि कपूर एंड सन्स के साथ ये दिखाया जाए. तो एक्चुअली मेरी पहली पिक्चर थी जब मेरी उम्र 15-16 थी और मैंने एक फिल्म में 15-16 का निभाया रोल और एक 90 साल में का निभाया रोल. सो आई थिंक दैट यू विल अंडरस्टैंड कि व्हाट पेरिफेरल वर्क करता है.
Every year, the festival has been making statements. In 2013, we talked about films. The water was the theme of the festival. Then we had War and Peace. Then we had Happiness and Shakespeare 400. This year, we are talking about the achievers. So right from Mark Zuckerberg to MS Dhoni to Sachin Tendulkar to Dadasaheb Phalke, everybody who rose to those dizzy heights, coming out of a crowd, is the subject matter of this section in the festival. The second section that we have in the festival is very, very important. When I was heading the International Film Festival of India and Goa, I started a small movement called Short Films. This was called Short Film Center in Goa. After I left the government, I continued with the movement and Jagran supported me. And here we are. Basanji talked about 6,000 film entries, 4,500 are short films from all over the world. And in this section, this is no longer those small films which people were making at home and putting out on some websites. I think today actors like Manoj Vajpayee, actors like Tiska Chopra and everybody, they are working in these short films. The competition section that we have, the international competition, we have a film from Tiska Chopra, Gauhar Khan and Atul Kulkarni, Sakshi Tanwar, These are all those actors who are working in short films, which was never possible some 8 or 10 years back. And this is a movement that we are trying to support today. And this year we have introduced the award money for this. The third section that I would like to talk about is our partnership with the Kingdom of Morocco. And here we are screening a clutch of about 12 remarkable feature films. This one region has never been present in India at any of the festivals. So we thought of bringing these films from Morocco and screening these. Tomorrow we begin with Horses of God by Nabil Ayush. This film was in Cannes Film Festival and won also an award at the Berlinale. So these are those few sections I wanted to talk about. This apart, we have the knowledge series, and in the knowledge series we just had a public interview of one actor who never was given his due by the film industry or by the film festival circuit. So you would read a catalog which we have edited, and we have actually mentioned, I didn't tell Rishi Kapoor Sahab in the auditorium. Actually, we wrote it that the festival circuit entirely missed you, sir. And it is our mistake. And I really admit I'm one of them who never thought about it, really. We had each other, Melisi by Rajinder Singh Bedi. We had other films from him. But I don't know for what reason this great actor was never given his due. And in this journey that he has had in Indian cinema, the remarkable work that he has done is being put across through a clutch of films. The section is called 8.5. I won't explain what is 8.5, which perhaps Mayank or Rishiji will explain later, but these are some remarkable films that we are presenting at the festival, and perhaps we will be able to invite Rishiji to some other section.
Adharani Rishi Kapoor Sahab, Ambassador on His Excellency Ambassador Morocco Mr. Mohammed, और यहाँ मौजूद भाइयों और बहनों, एक बहुत ही ऐतिहासिक क्षण है और एक ऐसा क्षण है जिसमें कि कला और कला के साथ साथ फिल्म और फिल्म के साथ साथ वो शख्सियतें जिन शख्सियतों ने कि संस्कृति कला को हर घर तक पहुंचाने में महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाई है, वो इस फेस्टिवल के माध्यम से जुड़े हैं। ये 8वां फिल्म फेस्टिवल हो रहा है और जो सबसे मुझे खुशी की बात है कि छोटे छोटे जगहों पर छोटे छोटे ज़िलों में इस फेस्टिवल के माध्यम से जो हमारे देश में फिल्म और फिल्म के माध्यम से जो संदेश जाते हैं, चाहे वो शॉर्ट फिल्म्स के माध्यम से हों, चाहे वो आर्ट फिल्म के ज़रिए हो या और भी जो फिल्में हैं उनके ज़रिए हो, उसको जो है वो लोगों तक पहुंचाने और लोगों द्वारा समीक्षा के लिए रखे जाने का एक बहुत अच्छा मंच है। मैं एक बार फिर से जागरण ग्रुप को, संजय गुप्ता जी को और उस पूरी टीम को जो इस काम को बहुत बखूबी और बहुत ही सफलता के साथ आगे बढ़ा रही है।
Right before this, welcome to the first national retrospective of Indian cinema's ultimate heartthrob, Rishi Kapoor. Now, what can one say about Rishi Kapoor? Sirf naam hi kafi hai. And speaking of naam, when we were working on the festival, we were inviting him. We started with exchanging emails, WhatsApp. The first email that I sent him was, "Dear Mr. Kapoor." He got back to me and said, "Yeah, Mr. Kapoor kaun hai?" So then I said, "Okay, fine, Rishi Ji." He said, "Rishi Ji? Rishi Ji sounds like an uncle." So it had to be Rishi, which is fair enough because he is one of the coolest people in Bombay show business. You can call him Rishi. But the kind of work he's done and the staggering amount of work that he's done over so many decades, it's impossible not to give him respect at the same time. So I'm not too sure I'm going to continue with Rishi or Rishi Ji yet. So here's a man who really started his career at the age of 21 with a phenomenal debut in 1973 with a film called Bobby. From 1973 onwards, he had a completely uninterrupted run for 25 years. That is 1998, which is when he took a short break. And then he comes back to turn around his career, and as a colossal of a talent, and completely redefined cinema and certainly became even more relevant. Now, it was so hard for us then, given 151 films that he's done, to put together a 5-film retrospective. So we went back and forth, said 5 mein nahi hoga, so we went with 6. Then we did, okay, fine, this one's also missing. We went with 7. Then we realized this one's also missing. We can't miss Amar Akbar Anthony, for God's sake. So we went with 8. We've done 8, and then we realized that there is Mera Naam Joker, his debut film as an actor, where he picked up a national award for child actor. How could we not
see this large audience attending this festival, which to me is not a new one. It's getting very important in the world of cinemas in India. And I'm happy also that my country this year is both partner and a guest country. The importance of cinema, I think in the worldwide, nobody knows it more than the Indians. I think there are the number of people who still like to share what they have through the movies, because the number is getting down from watching movies, but the love of cinema here is growing. I congratulate you. I'm also honored that my country has been shown, and that 12 movies will be shown to all of you, and I hope they will show a little bit and bring Morocco to you inside the cinemas. And also you will understand that we share quite a lot of common things and values.